This is day 4 of learning a new algorithm every day until I hit a sub 15 seconds. And today we're looking at this occasion where the fork looks right at us and we have two yellow headlights looking back. Oh no, oh no, the gun. I think he's alright, so we can go on with our algorithm, yeah. So, to solve this occasion, we do R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U2, R prime, F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And it's solved. So yeah, let me put that into the test. Let me scramble. Better, but I have to do it again. You have to do it under 3 seconds. Yep, that was good. So see you next time.